What is up, guys? It's Doodoo Poker here, back for another video. Today we're going to be looking at the most common spot in poker, button versus big blind. Okay, single raise pot. So I'm going to give us, what should I give us? I'm going to give us ace-6 of clubs. Okay, folds around to us on the button. We have ace-6 of clubs. We raise it up to 2.5x. Big blind calls. The flop comes king of spades, 8 of hearts, 2 of diamonds. Okay. Now we know this is a range bet for 1/3, or close to a range bet at least. So we will use our 1/3 sizing, and we'll get to the turn. So the turn brings a 4 of clubs. Okay. Now something interesting happens. Big blind checks to us. This is turn, button versus big blind in a single raise pot. Okay. So we know we want to use big sizing with a lot of our range, right? You can split sizings here if you want, but a lot of people just simplify to one big sizing. So we know we want to overbet here, okay? But look at what our turn barreling hands are. All right. Now we can understand the ace-3, right? We picked up a gut shot. We want to start betting. We understand the ace-5, right? We understand 6-5. But look at our hand, ace-6 of clubs. Our hand wants to barrel very frequently for a huge sizing. Okay. Look at queen 5, no equity. How about queen 10, no equity? Queen 9, no equity. Remember, there's no flush draw out here. What's going on over here? Ace-6 off. Why are we barreling hands like jack 5, queen 5, queen 7, queen 9, queen 10, ace-6, right? All these no equity hands. What is your reasoning for why we are barreling those no equity hands? Well, we have to understand targets, okay? This is the easiest way to understand it. When you're thinking about what the big blind's calling range is, you want to think, what hand is going to block the 0 EV continues? So what I mean by this is, if I bet 125, what hands become 0 EV? It's never the king. It's never king X. So what does that mean? That means we don't care about king X. See, when we're thinking about ranges, you don't want to focus on the king on the turn. Our focus should shift to the 8, to the 2, okay? So stay with me. So we don't care about the king on the turn. Just like on the flop, we don't care about pairs. On the flop, we care about floats, okay? Then when we get to the turn, we care about pairs on the board, okay? We care about 8x. We care about 2x. Now, what hands block ace-8 and ace-2? Ace-6. What hands block 8-5 and 5-2? I'm not sure if 5-2 is in the range. Yeah, it is. Look, queen 5, queen 2. 0 EV, right? That's why we barrel queen 5. Okay, let's play this game some more. Queen 10. What do you think? 10-8, queen 8. Let's see. 10-8, queen 8, 0 EV. See? Our focus has shifted. On the flop, we don't care about pairs. On the turn, we don't care about the king. We care about 8x and 2x, right? So what we do is we use non-intuitive double barrels like Jack 5, like Queen 10, like Ace 6, and we barrel those hands because we want to block the continues, right? The 0 EV continues. Because if we block the 0 EV continues, it's more likely he folds on the turn, right? If I have Ace 6 and I'm blocking Ace 8 folds, I'm blocking some Ace 8 and I'm blocking some 8 6. If I have Ace 6, he's going to fold more, right? So my barrel is more likely to work. So when you focus on the turn, you don't care about the king. We only care about the king on the river. So let's go over this one more time. On the flop, we care about floats. On the turn, we care about 8x and 2x. And on the river, we care about king x. Okay? So it's very important. Once you understand it from this perspective, you realize that these non-intuitive double barrels with no equity at all, Ace 7, Ace 6, Queen Jack, Queen 10, Queen 5. What these do is they double block 8x and 2x. So they make it more likely big blind folds. All right? That is the purpose of the non-intuitive double barrels. All right, guys? I just started this channel. Please give me a subscribe and a like, and I'll be putting out a new video every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you in the next video.